Hello everyone, in this video here I'll be doing a tutorial video on how to replace the wipers on your vehicle. Now before I start this tutorial, I'd just like to take a moment to thank all my viewers and subscribers. I have now officially hit over the 1,000 subscriber mark, so I really appreciate that. So I'd just like to say thank you to everyone for always keeping up to date with my videos and providing any feedback or even just viewing my videos. Now moving on to the tutorial itself here. Now depending on your vehicle's make and model, some vehicles do need the wipers to be in the upright position in order to lift this wiper arm up here. What will happen is it's sometimes under the hood here, so you can actually hit the hood and you only get the wiper up maybe an inch or so. Therefore you can't actually replace the wipers too easily themselves. So what you want to start by doing here is lifting the wiper up like this. And then what you'll have here, this is a fairly generic tab. Some of them do vary between makes and models of vehicles. Normally what you'll have is just the arm itself hooks around like so. And then you have this plastic tab in the inside here that holds the wiper in place and it just slides in there. Now what holds this plastic tab in place is a little tang right here. So you want to just simply pull this back and it'll unlatch the clip itself. And then the wiper, you basically have it positioned like that and you just push it down like so. Now this is a little harder to show with one hand, so I won't be able to show it fully. Now I've already pulled the tab back here, so all you just want to do is just simply slide the wiper down itself here. Now sometimes they can stick over time because dirt does get in them after a little while. And there you have it. Now normally what I like to do here is if you still haven't got your new wipers ready, as you can see mine are still in the packaging, you just want to take this and just set it down very gently on the windshield here. So what happens is this is a spring-loaded arm here that keeps it down on the windshield, and sometimes you can bump into it, or sometimes they don't actually latch into place properly here, so they don't actually stay in the upright position. They'll come smack down on your windshield and they actually create a chip or crack in your windshield, and then you either have to get that fixed or your windshield replaced. So that can be very costly. Now with regards to purchasing wipers, now there is a few different styles you can buy. Now the ones I just purchased here are just an all-season style wiper blade. Now these are usually the cheapest ones you can buy. You can move up to a winterized style one, which has actually got a rubber casing all the way around this brackets here, which prevents it from freezing up in the winter time. And then you can move on to a low profile style wiper, and they can get fairly expensive. So it depends what type of driving you're doing, how much driving you're doing, and how much you want to spend on your wipers. Now for determining what size your vehicle takes, normally they do have a book when you go into whatever store you are purchasing the wipers. You just simply look up the year, make, and model of your vehicle. Sometimes they will have a separate listing for driver side and passenger side. On this vehicle here, the driver side, which I just removed, is actually a 22-inch wiper blade, as you can see. And then on the passenger side, it's a 20-inch wiper blade, so it does vary in between makes and models. Some will actually have the same size on both sides. Now, if you don't know what size of wiper your vehicle does take, sometimes you can just take your old wiper in and just compare it up to the new wiper you're looking at purchasing. You can measure it up, or you can just do a little Google search and see what you find. Now normally to determine if your wipers are going here, what you'll notice is actually streaks across your windshield, so they won't actually be cleaning fully. That's usually determines when the rubber is actually going bad on the wiper itself. Or on this particular one here, normally when they start pulling away like that, sometimes you can just start in a little corner there and then just continue all the way along. And then sometimes it can actually break in the centers here also. Now when you take the wiper out of the package, you normally have a little bag that comes with it that are filled with a couple clips. Now this one here just comes with these two style of clips here. Now I will be using this one. You can just do a little test run to see which clip slides in better into the bracket itself on the wiper arm. And it's that little wiper arm part right there. So you just do a little test run, slide the bracket and see how it fits, and then you can pull it back out. Now the little clips do need to be installed first on the wiper itself. So what we want to do is take this little clip here. Now you do have your wiper arm right here. Now as you can see, there's a little bar that goes on the inside there, and you have that little hole right there, which that actually snaps over top. So what you want to do is just simply insert that in the inside there, just like that. And you should hear a little clip in, and it should be good to go. And what you want to do is actually rotate this to one direction. Just like that there. Now, when putting the wiper arm up itself, you want to hold it up and then insert the wiper on its own, like so. Now, putting the new wiper on the arm itself, you just want to take this little tab here. Now, when you're looking at the little clip on the inside, you want to make sure the little nub on the bottom is actually facing towards where that square hole is in the wiper arm itself. So you want to go on the top side here, pull it back around, and then you should hear a clip in, and there you have it. Now your wiper arm is on, you want to continue to your passenger side. This is it for my tutorial video. If you have any comments or questions, please don't hesitate to post them, and thank you for watching.